Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial for you guys, and here I'm just showing you some very simple steps to prep your nails. It's very basic and it's very easy and achievable. So after I'm done pushing back my cuticles, I'm just grabbing a buffer and I'm removing the shine from my natural nail plate, and then I will move on to nail dehydrator and also a primer for the nails, and this is going to help with no lifting and long lasting nails. So this is what I'm doing here, and I really recommend this one. It's great quality, it works like a charm, and it's very affordable. I will have everything linked down below. So as you guys can see now, after I'm done applying the nail dehydrator, which just removes all the shine from the nails, I am going in with a acid-free primer, and this will make sure that there is no lifting. So now I'm just grabbing a random old buffer that I don't really care for, and I'm just going in and buffing both sides of the nails inside and out, and just removing all the shine, preparing them for application onto the nail plate. And also later on I will begin to apply the base coat. So now I'm going in with some base coat, and this is how I'm going to apply my nail tips. I just apply some base coat on, then I apply the full cover nail tip, and I just cure it for 30 through 60 seconds. And this is definitely one of my favorite methods to apply false nails. So yes, just another alternative for nail glue. So now I'm going in again with the base coat, and I am just going to simply apply a thin layer to all the nails, and I will be curing this in for 60 seconds, and then we can get straight into this tutorial. So today I will be going in with some Beetles gel polish, and I did end up applying 3 layers. I only showed 2 layers on camera. This was a very sheer color, so it did require some buildup. So yeah, here I'm just applying the polish. And remember guys, you don't have to be perfect at painting nails. If you guys make any errors, you can just grab a random brush that you have laying around and grab some acetone or nail polish remover and clean around the edges. So yeah, this is what I am doing here. So I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far, and like I always mention, thank you so much for all the love and support. It means the absolute world to me. In between each layer, I did cure the nails under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. So now I'm going in with my second top coat of gel polish. And by the way guys, I really love this color. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about this particular color. This is very new to me. I don't think I've ever done any like neon kind of orange color, so I really liked it. I thought it was so beautiful. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. It's so easy and beautiful. It's literally incorporating some gel polish as a foundation and then just using some regular polish that you have laying around to create a beautiful marble effect. So here are the polishes of my choice. I did purchase these at the Dollar Tree, and I'm also using some acetone along with a brush. So here I'm just applying some strokes of white, and I am just using, after dipping the brush into the acetone, I'm literally just marbleizing it. It just works so easily and so flawlessly, as you guys can see. And now I'm going in with the other color, which I wanted to incorporate this because I thought it would look so beautiful with this gold glitter. So yeah guys, this is the tutorial and this is pretty much it. It's so easy and simple, and then I top it off with some gel top coat, and there you go, you have some beautiful, easy, affordable marble nails. So now I'll be going in with some top coat to adhere my rhinestones, and then obviously applying top coat on all the rest of the nails, and then carrying it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Till next time.